Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover the Starknet Airdrop. The claim is now, so you are going to be able to check your eligibility on the Starknet Airdrop. We have been covering this airdrop from more than 1 year, and yesterday they already announced the airdrop, so we are going to cover everything in detail. They are calling this airdrop provisions, and like always in my videos I'm going to give you exactly the airdrop criteria, all the information on exactly when you can claim the token, and also all the information about this airdrop. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hi crypto fans, well, Starknet has confirmed already the airdrop, and you are going to be able to go and check your eligibility now. So I'm going to give you all that information in this video. We start saying that the Starknet Foundation is proud to introduce provisions, that is how they call the airdrop. Members of various groups who have helped advance Starknet, including Starknet users and builders, Ethereum contributors and stakers, and builders of select projects, may claim provisions. Here is how is the Starknet provisions allocation, and you can see the different sectors that are going to be rewarded for this airdrop. So you can check if you are participating in any of these different sectors to get your airdrop. The ones that you probably are going to be eligible if you have been following my videos, you can see here on my website. If you search for Starknet, we have been covering Starknet from October 2022. So this is more than a year and 3 months, so very proud for all my community and followers that are receiving this airdrop. The most common eligibility criteria that maybe you met is the Starknet user, so more than half of the airdrop is for those participants, and in order to get that, this is the user criteria. You use Starknet more than 5 times in total during 3 separate months or more. Transacted with a cumulative amount of at least $100 before November 15 of 2023 and had at least 0.005 Ethereum or more in your account on that date. Those 3 are the points in order for be eligible for this criteria. The eligibility criteria is really easy and accomplishable to do. I was expecting many more things for this criteria, but it's really easy. Using the Starknet 5 times during 3 months already make you eligible, and if you use more than $100 on volume, which basically is a very cheap amount in terms of volume transaction for a network airdrop, this is less than for Arbitrum, so those 2 are very easy to accomplish, and even bots probably are going to be eligible for those airdrops. The thing that was accepted in the community yesterday, it was the 3rd requirement, which is to have a 0.005 Ethereum or more in your account on that date of November 15. And I know that many are upset, but I have been telling about this in many of my airdrop videos, that you always need to leave some money in the network in order to keep doing transactions over time, but also to show that your account is still alive. It's very common if you are farming airdrops that you do all the different transactions and you move all your money to a different network. So that is one of those Sybil rules. If you are not getting this airdrop because of that, please go to my website, search here for the word Sybil, click on this video, how to not be blacklisted or Sybil on airdrops. There are many points that you need to consider in order to be eligible for those airdrops and not make these mistakes. There are at least 10 big things that you need to do, so check this video, it's very important. And one of the things that I have been telling during many videos during these years is that always keep some balance there. And I'm sorry to tell you, but 0.005 Ethereum on November 15, it was only $10. So the amount of money that they requested for you to have in the network is really low. Ethereum was at $2,061 on November 15. 0.005 Ethereum is $10.30. So I'm really sorry for all those that didn't get this airdrop. I missed it in 2 of my airdrop farming wallets because of that reason too. That is why I recommend you to go and check my subscriptions, join my private Discord, show my airdrop application, you will be receiving Starknet Airdrop if you were a follower here. In my Discord, you are going to find valuable information about airdrop hunting, airdrop farming, also all the different airdrops that you can claim. We have specific channels and threads in my Discord for every airdrop that has the option to claim. I am doing this Starknet claim video, but I don't have time to do all these videos for all the different airdrops that you can claim. We have been claiming more than 30 airdrops on the last 2 or 3 months. So airdrop is hyping a lot. I recommend you to be part of a community. Don't do it alone. We can help you in my Discord and in my subscription with my app. So again, the criteria was really easy to accomplish. And now the claim date is the 20th of February. That date, in 4 days, you are going to be able to go and claim your airdrop from their website. So the point 1 of this airdrop claim for Starknet, here is the Provision Starknet official website. Once you go there, you need to scroll down. Here you have the different criteria for the different sections of the allocation of this airdrop. You still go down, and here in check your eligibility, you can connect your Starknet wallet. So you have here the Starknet users and ACMP recipients. So this is the Starknet X. This is for Ethereum stakers and protocol guild members. And here, if you were a developer, here you have the GitHub to connect. So check all these 4 if you have been participating on those. If not, just go here and connect your wallet, or here you can put the address of your wallet. When you click on connect your wallet, you are going to be pumped to connect with Argent X or Bravos. Just connect your wallet in this case. After you connect your wallet, you are going to see this section with your airdrop address and here your allocations. On this case, this wallet doesn't have any allocation for the airdrop. This is just for the purpose of the video, but if you get this airdrop, you are going to see the amount of tokens that you get there. And of course, this token at the moment of recording is not live in the markets, but OTC prices for this token are around $1.70. Sometimes the speculative price before the launch actually correlates with what happened in the market. But of course, we don't know until this goes into the market and we get the tokens in 4 days. But to have an idea, $1.70, it could be something that the token could be on the early stages on the launch. But again, this is only speculative information. I am not confirming any price. Just to give you a little more of information before closing this video, here you have the official tweet of the launch, and here the official airdrop information on the Medium page. It's very complete. So here you can see that during this round of the program, the Starknet Foundation will distribute more than 7 million Starknet tokens to nearly 1.3 million addresses. And this is a portion of the 900 million Starknet dedicated to the provisions program out of 1.8 billion Starknet dedicated to the community in total. So for this airdrop, they are distributing almost half of the total for the community. And like we mentioned, at 12 p.m. UTC on February 20th, you will find on the same link on the point 1, the eligibility and the claim for the provisions portal. And you will have 4 months after the program launch to claim your tokens. There are many other interesting information if you want to keep reading this in detail about how the usage of the token, but other things to comment on how recipients can claim. All fees for this claiming Starknet token are going to be covered by the Starknet Foundation. So when you claim your airdrop, you're not going to be paying any fees for this. And there are many persons or countries that are not allowed to get this airdrop. So if you are farming this, you are part of the community, remember to go to the channel for the specific ways to go around this. But using VPN and proxies, you are going to be able to claim this if you have been participating and if you are eligible. But many countries, even US and UK residents, cannot claim this airdrop easily. So guys, that is all the information for this video for the Starknet airdrop claim. 4 more days to go to the website and claim, but you can check your eligibility right now. Starknet is a very big project with many millions of funding, so this airdrop could pump a lot. And remember, for what I saw on the last airdrops for big projects like the Dimension, Zeta Chain, VET, and many others, the tokens usually go down on launch because many airdrop hunters and people is selling. but after a couple of weeks the price has been skyrocketing for many of those tokens. So maybe it's a good idea to sell a little portion of your airdrop if you need capital for doing more stuff on airdrops or paying stuff, but always keep a portion because the prices could increase after some time after the launch and after many of the people sell. At least that is my recommendation of what I am doing right now with these big airdrops of the big projects. Remember again, check my subscriptions at cryptocurrencystate.net. You have all the information here about what you are going to get on my Discord and my airdrop application. If you are new to airdrops, my airdrop application is going to save your life so you don't struggle with Excel files to keep track of everything that you do. And in my Discord we have amazing channels for any type of airdrop hunter. If you are newbie, you will find help there. If you are an advanced farmer, you also have a place in my Discord. That will be all for this Starknet airdrop claim. All the information has been covered here, but if you want to check all those links that I show, go to the first link on the description. You are going to be sent to my website and the post of this video. There you have all the official links. That will be all, and guys, remember before we leave, click the like button, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and you can join me in Twitter at CryptoCState. There has been a lot of bans of YouTubers on crypto on the last weeks, so I hope never happened to me, but you know, this is very risky. Twitter and YouTube just ban influencers without any real reason. So please follow me in Twitter, and if you want you can join my community in Discord so we keep in touch in any case that this YouTube channel is banned for any unfair reason. That will be all, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.